like fractions and unlike fractions. Here some fractions are given. 1 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7. What is the same in between these three fractions? Something is same.
Yes.
7 means what is this 7?
Number.
Which number?
Fraction.
Denominator. Upper one number we are calling numerator, and this is denominator. Means the fraction having same denominator. What? Same denominator. Fraction having same denominator. It's called
Like fraction.
like fraction. Which fraction?
Like fraction.
Which fraction?
Like fraction.
Here, fraction having same denominator is called
Like fraction.
like fractions. Clear? Now, see these fractions. 1 upon 3, 4 upon 8, 9 upon 11. Here are same denominator? No. Same numerator?
No.
Nothing is same. Means here different denominator. The fraction having different denominator are called
Unlike fraction.
unlike fraction. Here, now we are going to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Means now we are learning converting unlike fractions into like fraction. Here two fractions are given 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9. So to make it like fraction, what we will do? We will make the denominator same. Correct?
Yes.
So to make denominator equal, we have to find out the multiples of the both denominator. Correct? So here I wrote some multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And here 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Correct? So here we will get the same multiple, that is 18. Correct?
Yes.
So we can make 6 on by multiplying 3 as a 18 and 9 multiplied by 2 18. Means we will take the equivalent fraction of this both. So 5 upon 6 we multiply by 3 because on the third number we are getting 18. So we will make it 18. So 5 3s are 15 upon 18. Correct?
Yes.
And this 7 upon 9 we will multiply by 2. Very good. By multiplying 2 we will get 7 to the 14 upon 18. So we will get the equivalent. We are taking equivalent fraction of the given. Then we will get like fraction. That is 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18. Here are the denominators same. The value of 5 upon 6 and 15 upon 8 is same. 5 upon 6 and 15 upon 18 are equivalent fraction. So we can take in place of 5 upon 6, 15 upon 18. Clear? Because that are equivalent fraction.
I don't understand that.
We will learn equivalent fraction. Means the 5 upon 6 equal to 15 upon 8. Clear?
Yes.
Because we are multiplying with the same multiple 3. Clear? This value is same.
But we don't write 3 na?
No. That I am explaining here method. That's why I am showing. So while writing answer, means this step is important. But answer, this is the equivalent fraction. 5 upon 6 equal to 15 upon 18. Means in place of this we can write 15 upon 18 and 7 upon 9 equal to 14 upon 18. We are making these two fraction converting into like fraction. For that we are changing the denominator. So for that we are taking same multiples for numerator and denominator. That's why we take the equivalent fraction of this fraction, correct? So we will get the equivalent fraction 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18.
But this is 18 table now?
Yes, because we find out the same factors from the given denominator 6 and 9. Clear?
Okay.
So we will take the number that we will get the same denominator. Same means multiple of 6. 6 3s are 18 and 9 2s are 18. So concentrate to make the denominator same.
Teacher, this is very simple.
Simple, but method if you understood then you can solve the next all example your own. This clear how to convert
Yes.
unlike into like fraction. Clear? So from that I am explaining one example from problem set 18. Okay, so that for given fraction into like fraction. Here our first example is given 3 upon 5. Sorry, 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Okay, this is our first example and we have to convert it into like fraction. This is unlike fraction because here denominator 4 and here 8. So to convert into like fraction we have to make it same. So 8 ones are 8, 4 twos are 8. If we multiply by the 2 to the first fraction, see here 3 upon 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, we will get 6 upon 8. So here comes denominator 8 and here already 8 is given in the denominator. So no need to change to 5 upon 8. These two fractions are like fraction.
Teacher, but I don't understand.
See, here again you write 6 upon 8. This is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4. Clear? So again here you take this another fraction 5 upon 8. To make 8, we will multiply by only 1. 5 upon 1, 5 into 1, 8 into 1. We will get 5 upon 8. The value of 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 8 is the same. We just change the number to make denominator 8. Clear? Now 5 upon 8. Here already 8. So we multiply by only 1. So we will get the new fractions for these two, that are 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. Here the denominator is equal, correct?
Yes.
Therefore you can write like fractions are 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. Clear?
Yes.
We just multiply by the same number and take equivalent fraction for the given fraction and make the denominator same. Then we get the equivalent fraction for the given and that are the like fraction. Clear? Now second you will solve?
Yes.
Okay, solve.